to make too much there. 600 millilitres. It's supposed to be 2%, but I'm going to use 1 because I don't want it to go off too quick. Oh, I need my mask on.
Hello? Can you hear me alright? Oh, I just twanged the chin. Right. Now go mix it and don't get it in your eyes. Now you get a glass eye. Temperature makes a big difference to how much activator you put in it. If it's a hot day, 1% maximum. If it's freezing cold, you need 3 or 4%. Otherwise it'll take about 4 hours. Well, right to you look. This is the interesting bit. Don't be shy with it. I normally wet my fiberglass fish, but I forgot on this time. It looks blue, but when it goes off, it goes back clear for some reason. So we had the sheets stuck on bottom. Right, that's that one there.
I'm going to make our last address out of what's left over. That's a fiberglass.
Be a bit itchy around the old groin area, won't it?
Get through there.
And everywhere else for that matter.
Right, that's one piece. I need to put some of this weight out. Stand mine.
On this side, slap a bit of paint on it. Someone's watching it, I can feel it. Well, Mrs. Jones, I got a thing going on. Oh, tonight. By eye, man. Perfect. I'm stood on my scissors. Right. A bit of this on here. I'm going to have to paint all these spars and all with some. Should have done it first, right?
I've got some Yorkshire pudding mix left over from Sunday if you want it.
Oh yeah. Right. That's what I normally do, is wet it first, so to speak. And then slap that over there. I think I've mixed too much up. Oh, it's a lovely sound, that. Oh, Mrs. Jones! Just slide in easy when it's wet.
Yeah, that's so I'm told.
Lovely jubbly! Right, I need my scissors. Something to that, was a bit stuff like that. This is bloody thick stuff, this. I think it's 1.5 gram or something.
Yeah.
I don't know per what inch. I don't know.
It'll probably soak up all resin, won't it? You'll drink it. Like last lot did.
Oh, aye,
It's probably the best one for that job though.
Yeah.
Rather than little stuff you're having to put loads of layers on.
Well, you do different matching for different applications. Like
Yeah.
I heavy stuff for, you know, for thickness at bottom.
Mhm.
My pipes getting it layered with. Right, that'll do for that, because I'm going through with screws. It's up top. Straight through bottom! Right. You know I could, easily. I forgot to dip my noggin. Dip it in. I'll see up drain as well, you see. Oh. I can't get it in. Maybe it went in front of the side.
Wiggle it!
Bit more on here. That is a tight blooming fit. There you go.
I think you get the general idea. Taking shape. Well, we decided to go against his own advice and give the engine a try. So we filled it up with water, and petrol of course, and here we go.
Ignition, it's working as it choke, but you've got to really twist key to get it to start. But
Hey! It's alive!